This place, they invited me in and they accepted me for who I am, and it's been growing and growing from people from all different backgrounds. We need more room so more people can come, people can feel that love, that barakah, that hasanah, and the just genuine love that Dar Al-Rahma has to offer.
It's starting to burst at the seams. I can remember when there would be space between the lines and all, but now generally we're packed in pretty good, and which is a good thing. It's something that I really appreciate, seeing people wanting to be here.
So we have 2 additional spaces that are not in use, but they've already been purchased. They just need a little bit of touch up, a little bit of renovations, hopefully supported by our community so that we can expand and continue to serve our community in a manner that will benefit all of us for generations to come.
To give this Ramadan, it will be vital to our program. This year, Alhamdulillah, this is the biggest our population has ever been. So this Ramadan would be like the takeoff point for us. We need the space, we need the room. Anything we can get, alhamdulillah, we need it.
And I feel like if you donate to the Dar Al-Rahma, I know for a fact you'll see a blessing come back in your life.